The rebranding from Harrah's to Caesars New Orleans is now complete. The property has undergone a major $435 million renovation. This transformation includes a new hotel tower, enhanced gaming spaces, and expanded dining options. Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Vegas Nola Man. You're planning a very important trip. Let's get started. The recently renovated casino floor measures up at 115,000 square feet and contains approximately 2,100 slot machines, over 90 table games, a poker room, and a very nice sportsbook. The Caesars World Series of Poker Room has 20 poker tables and features weekly tournaments every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. The all-new Caesars Sportsbook at Caesars New Orleans features 4 betting windows, 12 self-service betting kiosks, a 147-foot video screen, a multi-display Legends Lounge, and a large, beautiful bar area. Over in this corner is the location of the Steakhouse New Orleans. Here you can experience reinvented steakhouse classics, locally sourced seafood, craft cocktails, and an extensive wine list. And at the center of this beautifully remodeled casino floor is Octavia. Named in homage to the Honorable Octavia, niece to Julius Caesar. Octavia's design is inspired by the number 8, historically associated with wealth, prosperity, and success. The 27-seat bar and 136-seat lounge area offer an elevated experience featuring 19 table games and 60 slot options. And here is the new food hall at Caesars New Orleans. There is a Bobby's Burgers by celebrity chef Bobby Flay. Its mission is to serve signature burgers and spoon-bending milkshakes. But just like the Bobby's Burgers in Las Vegas, it's kind of pricey and not very good. I truly miss the Fuddruckers that was here when this place was a Harris. In keeping with the Vegas Food Hall theme, there is also a Buddy Velastro's pizza cake. It's pizza or cake by the slice for here to go. And the final and most notable selection in the food hall is Nina's Creole Cottage. Here, Top Chef fan favorite Nina Compton melds island flavors of St. Lucia with Louisiana Creole spice at her new food counter. Smoking is no longer permitted on the casino floor, but no worries, there is an outdoor gaming area. Wonk wonk, smoke 'em if you got 'em. It's funny, 20 years ago, if this had been the only smoking area, the place would have been packed. Located near the Canal Street entrance of the casino floor is where you'll find Emerald's Brasserie, a full-service restaurant and bar offering French-style cuisine with an Emerald Lagasse twist. And here is Nobu, the latest addition to the city's upscale dining scene. Nobu offers new-style Japanese cuisine that blends traditional Japanese dishes with Peruvian influences. And as part of the renovation, there is also the new Nobu Hotel Caesars New Orleans. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the beautiful lobby. Nobu Hotel offers 54 rooms and suites within the Caesars Tower. Nobu offers a high-end experience catering to a discerning clientele. Wow, it's really nice up here. The Nobu Hotel features the brand's signature contemporary Japanese aesthetic, offering a unique architectural feel. And right across the street from the casino, there is the Harrah's Tower. They also have a beautiful lobby and a Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Thank you so much for watching. You can show support for this and future content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more New Orleans content. Hit the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.